Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WhatsApp business login problems, verification and access errors step by step clearly. Firstly, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Open the WhatsApp business app on your device. Attempt to log in using your phone number. If you encounter a verification issue, tap the Call Me option for a verification code. Wait for the automated call and note down the verification code. Enter the code in the app promptly. If the code doesn't arrive, check your phone settings. Make sure your phone is not in Do Not Disturb mode. Verify that the phone number entered is correct and belongs to the device being used. If you're still having issues, restart your phone and try the login process again. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. After reinstalling, open the app and re-enter your phone number. Follow the same verification steps. If you've changed phone numbers recently, ensure you use the new number associated with your account. In case you encounter access errors after logging in, check if your app is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's app store to look for any available updates. Consider clearing the app cache in your device settings. For Android users, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select WhatsApp Business. Tap on Storage and choose Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and attempt to log in again. For persistent issues, consider reaching out to WhatsApp Business Support for further assistance. Be prepared to provide them with any necessary information regarding your account. Follow any instructions provided by the support team carefully. Once resolved, ensure you regularly back up your WhatsApp business chats to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.